Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2038 code? This code means there is a range or performance issue in the reductant injection air pressure sensor circuit. If ignored, the DEF AdBlue system will not operate correctly, leading to higher emissions and possible warning lights or limp mode in diesel vehicles. P2038 stands for Reductant Injection Air Pressure Sensor Circuit Range Performance. In simple terms, the ECU is not receiving proper air pressure data from the reductant injection system, which is required for accurate DEF injection into the exhaust. This problem is commonly found in modern diesel engines equipped with SC or emission systems. Common symptoms include check engine light on, DEF system warning, increased emissions, reduced engine performance, and in some vehicles, restricted speed or limp mode. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The reductant injection air pressure sensor is usually located near the DEF injector or SCR system on the exhaust line underneath the vehicle. The DEF injector is mounted on the exhaust pipe before the SCR catalyst. The SCR catalyst and DEF dosing module are positioned along the exhaust system after the catalytic converter. The wiring harness for the pressure sensor runs along the chassis under the vehicle and connects to the ECU and DEF control module. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data and checking reductant air pressure readings. Then inspect the sensor wiring and connectors for damage, moisture, or loose connections. Check the DEF lines and injector for blockages or leaks. Also inspect the air supply system related to reductant injection. If the sensor readings are unstable or out of range, the pressure sensor may require replacement. Finally, repair damaged wiring, clean or fix the DEF system components, replace the faulty sensor if needed, clear the code, and perform a drive cycle. Fixing P2038 will restore proper DEF injection control and emission system efficiency.